$15 or $20 on a Facebook ad, so we couldn't have expected too much out of it.
That was an eBay.
Did I say eBay before?
Yeah.
I meant Facebook.
Oh, was it Facebook?
Yeah, it was a Facebook ad.
I knew it was one of the two.
There's no ads on eBay. Why would I say that? That was stupid.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan.
It's Ryder.
Sorry, there's so much dust in this car still.
There is.
Start coughing all over the place. So, we've got all the glass for this, except this window here. It's double pane, and it's the inside that's cracked. You can see it starting to separate, and there's bubbles. I bought one of these funky little kits off of an eBay ad for like 20 bucks. I really honestly don't expect it to work, but since this glass is, you know, no good anyway, I thought, well, it's worth a try. Just to see. I don't expect it to fix those bubbles and stuff, but what the heck, we'll try it out. We've already cleaned the glass pretty well. And, okay, so clean the periphery of the broken glass, no stain or moisture damage. Interior, this isn't really well written instructions, that is. Squeeze in the repair resin from top to bottom along the crack damage. When the crack disappears, cover quickly, and it came with, do you still have those in your hand?
They're in there.
Oh, you put them in here, that's what these, came with these clear little film things, so let's just see. And then the next side says, to the inside of the glass to the outside top of the damaged part, comma, the air will discharge from the damaged part.
That don't make a whole lot of sense to me.
It doesn't. Transfer to direct sunlight for 10 to 30 minutes or use ultraviolet lamp instead of curing until curing. Okay. Let's see what we got here. How does this... Oh, there we go. We're supposed to shake it out. Oh, shit. By the way, we're doing it on the inside here because
that's where the
crack is. I don't know if I started to say it's double pane or whatever you want to call it, safety glass. So I don't think this is gonna work. I really don't.
Yeah. Worst comes to worst, we have to get a replacement piece, and it's gonna be like, what, like 50, 60 bucks?
It depends.
Depends.
You know, like we found the other ones in the junkyard, which was original factory glass, which was awesome. And what did we pay? I forget. We bought a whole bunch of stuff as a package deal, so
don't quite know individual price.
Individual pricing. We just put everything together and got one price for all of it.
Yeah.
Wasn't super expensive, but
yeah,
having original glass is better than not. Okay, we'll let that set up for a little bit and then come back in a minute. Explain what's going on here.
So we thought to kill the time we would do these Minecraft things. I've seen these all over like YouTube and stuff. They look kind of cool, but I heard they're really hard to open. But you can get 7 items, or you can get a real gold-plated creeper. I don't know how real that is, but
was this mine or was this yours?
I don't think it really matters.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just want the bee.
Because I'm getting the one that wins.
What does that mean?
I don't know. This isn't going to happen.
That's that.
You're supposed to pick these apart with this little plastic pickaxe.
Yes. That's exactly what they expect you to do. But from what I've seen and what I hear, these are a lot harder than that.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know, it doesn't seem so hard. Wait, are you gonna hold on?
Just gonna chuck it at the ground.
Wow. Well, that came apart. It's right there.
Is it? Is it, Steve?
Is it just one?
Yeah.
There's only one thing in there?
Yeah.
I thought you said there could be 7.
Yeah, there can be 7. Like, there's one of 7.
Oh. Do you know what that is?
Looks like the. Oh, it could be the snow golem.
No. Is it?
Maybe. Or the villager. Oh yeah, I think it's the villager.
Is it?
I think so.
I don't want that.
Yeah, I didn't want this either.
Would we pick these up at GameStop?
Yeah. A little Steve guy.
Should I just leave them in there like that?
Yeah, throw it at me.
He just fell down over there. Oh, that's cool. That's the villager?
Yep.
He looks like Squidward.
That's, yeah. Everyone makes that comparison.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not special?
No, sorry.
Alright. So how much time has passed now that...
Probably not enough.
Not enough. It's still 5:29.
Oh,
It's
God.
almost been. It has almost been 10 minutes.
Well, this is kind of.
I'm mad at you
Why?
because I spent $20 on those.
Yeah.
That was very anticlimactic.
It was. You know, I've seen people like throw these like on the floor and stuff, and they won't shatter, and then
Really?
mine just shattered in one hit.
I'm not impressed. Do you want these pickaxes for anything?
Maybe.
Maybe. We don't have to get them out yet. All right, let's go back over to our window over here. I don't know. I'm not impressed.
No.
I'm really not.
Granted,
Yes.
they're not quite done yet,
Well,
so.
and to be fair, to be totally fair, this is an extremely damaged crack because of those air bubbles and stuff in there. But even the line that has gone through there, it's not repaired like they claimed it would be.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to throw out. There's a nice razor blade in here.
Especially
We don't wanna
considering you
throw that out.
broke the other one.
Exactly.
I'm pretty sure you need that anyways to scrape this off.
Well, this stuff will just peel off.
Well, in the instructions, it'll let you just scrape it off.
Well, I think the excess
Oh.
will scrape off a lot, but I don't care. At this point, you can still see the crack. Scraping it's not going to change that.
Yeah, fair enough.
I don't know. Maybe this would work at a cleaner break, but I just don't.
Or just a more recent one, because this one's pretty old.
And it's probably got dirt inside the crack as well, but
That's kind of hard.
I thought it was worth a try. I mean, it literally it was like $15 or $20 on a Facebook ad, so we couldn't have expected too much out of it.
That was an eBay.
Did I say eBay before?
Yeah.
I meant Facebook.
Oh, was it Facebook?
Yeah, it was a Facebook ad.
I knew it was one of the two.
There's no ads on eBay. Why would I say that? That was stupid.
I don't know.
Well, I don't. Stand over on this side, bud, and look and see. You can see where the resin stops down here.
Yeah.
Does it look like there's less of a crack there?
Up here, definitely looks a lot more sealed.
Well,
Besides on the inside, of course,
Yeah,
with the air
yeah.
bubbles. But the crack itself kind of looks like it's either like thinning out or like not
Okay.
quite just sitting there. Or, but I don't know. Still a little fishy.
Yeah. I don't think it's. I don't know.
I don't think it's quite reliable, but it might. It depend. Probably would work a lot better if we had the right If we did
If we had a better brake.
Yeah. Oh.
It's dry.
Yeah.
Where's that razor blade?
Razor blade?
We'll just do the whole process here just because before we say it's a piece of crap.
Yeah. Granted, it should just not work for this, but...
Yeah. It ain't even worth trying to scrape that off because it didn't.
It like solidified it,
Yeah.
but it's not like
That's
it's gonna fix
interesting.
it.
Resin there, but
Resin is still resin.
yeah.
It's not the cure all for everything.
All right. Well, it was worth a try.
Yeah.
It was worth the content. It was worth the video.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, thanks for hanging out with us and trying that stuff out.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not gonna say this stuff was complete crap because we really put it to the test here and it failed. But I wouldn't
Probably
expect,
under like a normal, maybe like a glasses, like just like glasses you wear.
Yeah.
Type of crack.
maybe
It would
or
probably
a
work better for
clean-
that.
A clean break without the bubbles and stuff might.
Yeah.
But I can still see. I mean, it started out as a clean break, so I didn't expect it to fill in those bubbles, but it doesn't look like it filled in the crack very well either. So it's worth a try.
Oh well.
Thanks for hanging out. Until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom!
Hey.